Hey, Chase Real Estate Investors. Hey, there's a cute little way for security, and it's called FakeTV. And I'm holding it here in my hand, and it's something that you can easily install inside one of your properties to deter any theft at a property. And it's called FakeTV. A little machine like this, you plug it in. You really can aim it at a wall inside a room inside your property. If there's a thief driving down the street and they see your property and maybe they saw that it's vacant and they're driving by and they have this little fake TV thing in the background and it's flashing lights, which makes it look like a TV is on. And if it's on a second story or if you have a single story home, you can even buy some of those paper blinds and put them on the window and aim this kind of at the blinds, and it looks like there's a TV on at the property. And so just one other way to deter any type of theft at a property. And somebody's not necessarily going to walk up to the window if it looks like a TV is on. And a good way to fake them out, you can buy these on Amazon. They're like $14 to $19 for just go on to Amazon and look at fake TV, and that's all you need to pull up. And another one little tip here for investors on deterring any type of theft at a property. I mean, occasionally that does happen. A refrigerator gets stolen, or we get a range that gets stolen out of a property, and putting something like this in is one additional deterrent, and it's something that's very inexpensive, and just wanted to share that with you as an easy way to plug it in and let it do its thing. Thanks.